Welcome friends to another episode of Scott's Garage. Today we're going to be mounting this water bottle holder or water bottle cage onto this 2016 Trek Fuel EX. So stick around, it's actually a really easy process. Okay, the only tools you're going to be needing for this job are obviously your water bottle cage. If you're interested in getting one of those, I'll put a link in the description box below. You can pick it up cheap on Amazon. And obviously your Allen key set. I'm going to be using a number 4 or a 4.0, 4 millimeter Allen wrench in order to get the little bolts off on our frame. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now there are a couple ways that you can mount a water bottle cage onto your frame. Now this Trek that I'm using has obviously the two main bolts that are down here on the bottom tube. If you have a hardtail frame, you also probably will have an option to mount the water bottle cage over here. You can see on my wife's Specialized, she's got the mounts up on this tube as well. So you have two different options. Obviously for this specific Trek, I'm going to be using the bottom tube brackets here. So your bike should already have these specific bolts in already. Again, we're going to take that 4 millimeter Allen key and we're just going to turn in a counterclockwise manner. It actually should come out pretty easy. These should not be torqued in very hard. I'm just going to loosen that bottom one as well, and then you can just kind of finger loosen them to take out the little bolt. And you'll see what it looks like here in a second. Not very long, but yeah, there you go. Now, if for some reason you don't have bolts on your frame already, usually these water bottle holders will come with a couple little nuts and bolts. Obviously the ones that are native to the frame are going to be much easier, but you do have those options. Okay, if you do have a water bottle holder, water bottle cage that is locked into the packaging like this, basically you can take a Phillips head, or I'm going to take just a small flat head, and you can use that to turn and get this out of the packaging. Okay, once you've removed the little nuts and bolts that are native to the packaging on your water bottle cage, we are ready to mount this on the frame. Okay, so what we're going to do is just place the cage on the frame with those holes centered above the ones that are drilled into the frame. Again, depending on your cage style, you want to make sure that the larger end is on the bottom and that the angle is facing out in the correct manner for the hand that you're going to be using to grab it. What I'm going to do is just take one of the bolts that was native to the frame. I'm going to push it down through the hole on top and into the frame hole, and I'm going to just finger tighten it down. All right, then I'm going to take my second bolt and I'm going to do the same thing with the top hole. Okay, once that is in place, we can take our Allen wrench and we're going to go ahead and just tighten things down. Again, don't put too much torque onto these cages. You don't want to split the plastic, and you definitely don't want to crank down too hard on your frame. Okay, that's nice and secure and ready to test out with a water bottle. Okay, there we go. That is nice and mounted, looks fairly secure. I'm going to give this obviously a ride over the next few days and make sure that thing stays nice and secure, but that is basically how you mount your water bottle cage. Again, if you need links to purchase these things, check in the description box below. I'll have some links to Amazon. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned. We got more cars, trucks, bikes, all sorts of tips, tricks, and tutorials coming up soon.